Hey, it's the Siren Collector here, and I'm at Wilderness State Park in northwestern Lower Peninsula of Michigan, and I'm at the Group Use Campground right here, and they apparently have a Federal Signal Modulator 1004 here at the campground. I thought it was going to be a 3012, but I think I like the 1004 better. This actually, I think, is also the first time me actually seeing one of these in person. So this one is solar powered, has two antennas. I'm guessing that one is to receive signals while the other one is to have outgoing signals. Here's the controller. So, yeah. Then up there is the siren itself. You can see the ID tag and the logo and noise thing, noise warning. You can also see all the cords. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The battery compartment might be open, but not sure. Hopefully not, though. Anyways, that's pretty much all there is to see at this siren for now. So yeah, see you again some other time. Bye for now.